how to combine or merge videos on iPhone. So it's really easy. You have to use a particular app. You can use either CapCut, or I would recommend you guys use iMovie because it is from Apple and it's completely free. So I'm going to use my iMovie application, open it, and then from here, all you have to do is tap on the movie option right here. Then now you can select your videos. For now, I'm going to go with this and this video. Then all you have to do is tap on create movie. And in here, you can see we have successfully merged it. If you want to cut these videos, you can simply tap on them and simply cut them like this. I'm going to make it shorter, so I'm going to cut it more. And this one too, just like this. And in between, if you want to add any kind of transition, here you can tap on this icon and add it. For now, I have dissolve one. If you want to go with none, you can do that. For now, I'm going to go with the dissolve one, and you can simply play the video. Here you can see, and this is how you can merge it. So if you want to export this, you can simply tap on the done option on the top left corner right here. After doing that, here, all you have to do is tap on the share icon. Then all you have to do is tap on save or share video. And after doing that, tap on save video one more time. And now here you can see it has successfully been exported to our photo library. Tap on OK. Then you can simply open your Photos application. And in here you can see this is the merged video that we just created. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.